Amakosi rising star Mfundo Vilakazi believes the lesson learned from representing South Africa at the FIFA Under-20 World Cup will elevate his game to a new level as he prepares for continental action with Amakosi. The 19-year-old playmaker was one of the standout performers for Amajita, helping them reach the last 16 of the global showpiece in Chile. Over the course of 4 matches, Vilakazi contributed 2 assists and a goal, earning plaudits for his flair and composure on the ball. Reflecting on the tournament, Vilakazi described the experience as both challenging and rewarding and said the experience in Chile was very good. I worked hard and tried to help the country win, but unfortunately we lost in the last 16. I'm proud of the team's performance. It was a great experience overall. Now back with the Chiefs first team, where he has already amassed 39 appearances since graduating from the DSTV Disc Challenge setup. The mercurial midfielder says he's eager to apply the lessons learned on the world stage and said I gained a lot of experience and learned not to rush certain decisions on the pitch. That's something I'll bring back to the club to help the team score goals and provide assists. Villegas is part of the 22-man Kaizer Chiefs squad that has travelled to Democratic Republic of Congo for their CAF Confederation Cup second preliminary round first leg clash against AS Simba. The match is set to take place at the Stade TP Mazembe on Saturday at 3 o'clock. As Amakosi look to build momentum on the continental front, Vilakazi's confidence and maturity could prove crucial in steering the Soweto Giants towards the success. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.